All right, y'all, what's good? So I didn't send out a Zoom link for you guys this week because I really only have two major opportunities I'm looking at within the stock market right now. Going to be looking at parking some money more so in crypto. That's where I see more of the upside right now with that current dip. But here's what I'm looking at for the stock market this week so far. So first is First Cash, FCFS. The reason why is because, let me go ahead and annotate this really quick. The reason why is because we see the RSI went cold right here, had a major pullback. And so I always say one man's fear is another man's opportunity, which is what we see here. So we see it fell. We also see that it fell and held support. And so I like that. And so this would be a swing trade for us. So I'm looking to, give me 1 second. Let me pull this up so I can see something else. All right, perfect. All right, so we're going to enter here at about 63.81. Could be a little bit higher, a little bit lower, depending on how the market opens. And then we're going to set a stop loss at $62.50, which is the previous support. And so anytime we enter a trade, a swing trade, whether it's an investment, long-term hold, which you don't really need a plan for that. But basically what I'm trying to say is anytime you enter a trade, you need to have a plan. So you need to know when you plan to enter, where you plan to exit if things turn south, where you plan to exit, like as far as price target range. And so with my price targets, they're just the previous highs. So right here, we see that we had like a previous high right here. And so that would be the first price target, which would be about $6 or $83. And then right here will be about $95. And then we see essentially the first price target is about 31%, and the second one is 48%. And so what I like to do is when I'm swing trading something, I like to take, half of my profits at the first price target, or I'll take a third just to lock in that profit, and then take the rest as it continues to float towards that second price target. And then also just take a look here as far as like risk to reward. And so the current price is 63.81, and then our stop is 62.50. And so essentially we're risking about $1.31 per share, with an upside of, let's do 63.81 times 0.31, $19. So we're risking $1.31 for $19 per share at that first price target. And then we're also risking 63.81 and then times 0.48 for $30 a share. So we're risking $1.31 per share for $19 a share and $30 a share. And that's a risk I'm willing to take. I mean, those are good odds if you ask me. So this is one opportunity I'm looking to enter in on tomorrow, Monday. And then I have another one as well. My other one here will be Square. And I'll kind of show you why again. So obviously, once again, we see that Square has fallen. And if you guys don't know what Square is, I mean, a lot of companies are using them now, especially a lot of small businesses to pay for, different items and things like that. Like a fintech company. I believe in a company. I would do some research. As of course, any of this is not financial advice. This is just currently what I am personally doing. And so this is what I'm looking at this week. And so we see that it fell here in this zone. We said we found a level of support at 170. So I'm looking to buy in this area. So around $181.32 per share. And then, so basically what we're risking is about, my stop will be the support, which will be 170. So risking about $11 per share, a little bit more with some change to gain. And then that's when I would just pull up my calculator. Now I'll calculate the percentages. So I'll type in 181.32 times let's go with the first price target first times 0.44, which that will equal $79. So we're risking $11 per share for $79 per share. And then 181.32 times 0.56. And that's going to be, hold on, let me make sure it's correct because that seems a little wild. 181.32 times 0.56. All right, I guess that is what it is, for $101 per share at that second price target at 280. So yeah, we're risking $11 for $100, and I think that's a good trade in my opinion. I mean, the odds are in our favor. So we see that it fell, and we see previously. Actually, let me back this up a little bit. So the RSI didn't exactly go extreme here, but we see over time on this chart when the RSI goes extreme, so it flows between 30 and 70. When it goes extreme, we see that it rises from going extreme. It didn't quite go extreme there. I mean, it touched that barrier, but we see from that point, it did continue to rise above. And then now we have an opportunity to get it right here. And yeah, so those are the price targets and the two things I'm looking at this week within the stock market. We'll be sending out some updates as far as what we're looking at as far as crypto. I think there's a lot of upside there, and I see more opportunity in crypto a little bit more as of right now. So we'll be going more heavy into that side of things, just because it's a lot more upside there, and the price movements are a lot quicker. So there's with swing trading and things like that, there's opportunity for you to, double and triple your money in less time. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking at for this week. And definitely reach out in the chat if you guys have any questions or anything like that. And also send in your watch list and what you guys are watching this week and looking to buy.